Sir,
Yeah, very good. You have come. Good.
sir,
Akshay. Yeah, well, any doubt? Yeah.
sir, actually I have work to go. I will leave, sir, but just I have given my interview before. No, sir, how I just want to know how was my performance on
No,
that.
it was good. It was good. Akshit Reddy, you managed very well. You
Okay.
answered very well. No
Sir,
problem.
issues in banking sector, what else we can say, sir? I told NPI issues and what else issues we can say?
And go to google.com and make a search.
Okay, sir.
Problems of the banking industry. It will tell you so many items like say the lack of knowledge of people, and then like competition among people, and growing NPAs, and lack of proper measures for recovery of the advances and all that. So
Okay, sir.
you go through that. That will give you. Okay. Best
Okay,
wishes.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye. You can go.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Hello. Can you come to Zoom?
Yes, sir.
Come. Or you are hesitating about talking in the presence of others? Hello.
Hello.
Good.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Acha, this is the second time we are talking. Na? I think I talked to you yesterday or day before yesterday. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yesterday.
Acha, what is your
So
degree?
you gave me first, sir. I've done MSc in mathematics.
Yeah. Oh, I have given you 1st March as your time for
Yes,
interview.
sir.
Acha.
Yes, sir.
Very good. No problem. So, but here also I have written Akshu Chowdhury 25th 8 o'clock में एक समय दिया. I don't know how. I have given you time.
Sir,
You are not ready now?
no, sir. Sir,
No.
I didn't knew कि आज भी होगा.
अच्छा. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. Doesn't matter. Let me call for the next person. Okay?
Yes. Sir.
Yeah. कुछ डाउट है आपका?
नो सर. सर कल जो
ये-
था सर मैंने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा हुआ था बैंकिंग टर्म्स, वो पढ़ना था मुझे. मैं वही पढ़ रही हूँ. और रशिया और यूक्रेन का जो चल रहा है अभी वॉर है, उसके बारे में पढ़ा है सर मैंने आज.
अच्छा, उसका बारे में बोलिए हमको. अभी तो समय है. Nobody is here. You can go on be talking about Russia and this problem. Please
ओके
talk to me. Yeah.
यस सर. ये सब कुछ काफी पहले स्टार्ट हुआ था, जब यूएसएसआर होता था, यूनियन सोवियत सर उस टाइम पे जो था सर अराउंड 15 कंट्रीज होते थे सर 1922 से लेके 1991 तक सर ये 15-16 कंट्रीज एक साथ होती थी, इनका एक ही हेड होता था। बट लेटर ऑन जो रूलर थे सर जो 1991 तक जो रूलर थे तब तक ठीक रहा यूनियन ऑफ सोवियत सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक।
बोलिए। Yeah. Hello, Akshu Chaudhary. Why your voice is not coming? Unmute. Unmute, please. You were talking very nicely and you stopped in between. Yeah, Akshu Chaudhary.
So I don't know, sir, some network problem.
Yeah, network
Sir,
problem.
am I audible, sir?
Now audible. पहले cut हो गया था.
Yes,
You
sir.
were talking about Russia,
Yes, sir.
Pila ruler something, and you were telling like that. Now
Yes, sir.
start from wherever you
Yes,
want.
sir.
No problem. Continue.
Yes, sir. सर यूनियन ऑफ सोवियत सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिक था जिसमें काफी सारी कंट्रीज एक साथ थी जिनका एक सिंगल रूलर होता था। तो 1922 से लेकर 1991 तक ये रहा एंड एट द एंड जब 1991 था उस टाइम पे जो बाकी के कंट्रीज थे उन्होंने अपने आप को पार्ट कर लिया और सिंगल कंट्रीज बन गए, रिपब्लिक बन गए। सर वैसे जो ये है जो सबसे जो रूलर मतलब जो रशिया है वो अपनी टेरिटरी मानता है बाकी खास करके यूक्रेन को। प्लस अब जब यूक्रेन पार्ट बनना चाहता है नाटो का, नॉर्थ अटलांटिक ट्रीटी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, जो कि रशिया नहीं चाहता है कि यूक्रेन उसका पार्ट बने बिकॉज
Yes, tell me. So when somebody comes, I think it is getting affected. Hello. When somebody comes, I think it is getting, somebody tried to join.
Okay, sir. That's why it is disconnecting again and again.
Yeah. Good. Listen, so very good. Let us check up whether Arpit has come. Arpit, are you there with us now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Akshu Chaudhary, then it's okay. You can take it on. आपको turn first में तो ले सकते हैं. आपको by chance इंटरनेट ठीक नहीं होगा तो आप WhatsApp में ले लीजिए. क्या करेगा? आपको disturbance ज़्यादा होता है. Akshu Chaudhary. Yeah. Now, Arpit, you are from which place? Sorry, again, we have met 2-3 times. What is your name?
Sir, Arpit Joshi name.
You are from which place?
So should I leave?
No, if you want, you can leave, Akshu Chaudhary. No problem. No compulsion
no,
for you
sir,
to.
Can I continue and listen?
You can continue watching. Hello?
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, thank you, sir.
Akshu Chaudhary, continue watching. Now, Arpit Joshi, you are from which place?
Sir, Gujarat.
अच्छा, गुजरात. आपको मीडियम क्या लिया है? अभी हिंदी लिया है और इंग्लिश लिया है?
Yes, sir. I have NIACL in English. I have taken.
अच्छा, आपको NIACL, not IBPS. ठीक है.
No.
Yeah. Akshu Chaudhary, this is going to be for NIACL interview, but this is not totally unconnected with you. This will be useful for you also. Just be observing what discussion is going on.
Sir.
Okay, because of course I will be asking more
sir.
questions.
Thank you, sir.
More questions relating to our national insurance. Arpita, this is the second time or third time we are talking?
Sir, third time.
अच्छा, आपको ये बताइए, which date is your interview?
Sir, it is on 31st March.
अच्छा, 31st March. बहुत समय है. Oh Baba. So very fine. No problem. अच्छा जी. Abhi, let me ask you some questions for about 15-20 minutes. and we will see how far you have studied. Can you tell me, what do you mean by insurance coverage?
Sir, insurance coverage, it means that the insured will pay premium to the insurance company, and insurance company will provide this compensation to the insured for any loss or damage. So this is insurance. This is called insurance coverage.
Mm. No, actually, you have to mention the word specific amount. That is very important.
Yes, sir, I will.
You have to use that word specific amount. Can you tell me what are the two major type of insurance coverages available?
So there are two types of insurance. First is life insurance, and second is the non-general insurance, which is also non-life insurance. And life insurance provides provide financial protection to the family in case of death of insured, while this non-life insurance covers the financial loss other than the life insurance, like some damage to the home in case of any natural or man-made calamities, then travel insurance, then insurance cover to the ship and goods during the transit, and the fire insurance.
Very good. What is your degree?
So I have done BTech in information technology.
B.Tech in information technology. Good, 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 good. How far information technology has helped the community?
Yes, sir. It has today. IT sector is the backbone of every industry, and the Prime Minister has also launched the digitalization mission in 2015 for promotion of promoting this IT industry, and it has helped all the industry in many ways. Today, all means companies have apps on the means Play Store, so that the customers can do all the things from home without going to the branches, and they have also launched this internet chatbots through which the person can get means information without contacting the company. So it has made the work for the company very easier, and it has also increased its efficiency.
Good. Very good, very good. What is NABARD?
NABARD is National Bank of Agriculture and Rural Development. It was founded in 1982. The main role of NABARD is to provide easy and access means loan to the farmers, and it also supervises the RRB.
Good. What is the difference in job role of a NIACL AAO and AAO of LIC?
Listen, there is no job role. Both are same post. Actually, in first in non-life insurance there was double AO post, but now they have removed and added only AO post. Both are same actually, but LIC is for life insurance, and while NIACL is for general insurance. But the job profile of both is same.
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है, थोड़ा difference है. यहाँ पर you are dealing only with the life insurance.
Yes.
There you are dealing with the health insurance related to the policy holders plus general insurance other aspects. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. I will check in update about it.
There is a difference. There is a difference. आपने बोलना है there is a difference, but it is like say bank में भी probationary officer है, and AO also is an officer है. दोनों तो एक ही काम नहीं करते.
Yes, sir. Both are different. Yes.
That way different. Acha. Now, who is the chief of our NIACL?
Sir, the chairman is Mr. Atul Sahai.
Very good. Can you tell me what is IRDAI?
Sir, IRDAI means Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. It was founded in 1999. It was made a statutory body in the year 2000, and their main aim of IRDAI is to grant license for companies to carry out insurance business. Then it readdresses the policy holders' complaints, and it also ensures the fair transparency in the insurance process, and it mean and any regular means forms policy for the insurance for both life and non-life insurance. And currently there is no chairman. It is the post is lying vacant.
Very good. Excellent. Can you tell me who is insurer and who is insured? Use the name of some companies and talk.
Sir, insurer is the company which provides the insurance to, like LIC and NIACL are the insurer, and the insured is the person who buys the policy. He is also called the policy holder.
Good. What is the difference between a revocable beneficiary and irrevocable beneficiary?
Yes, sir. In revocable beneficiary, the beneficiary means can be changed without the consent of the primary beneficiary, while in irrevocable beneficiary, the means permission of the primary beneficiary is required to change the beneficiary.
अच्छा, पहले बार सुनता हूँ, ज़्यादा हमने सुना नहीं है. It's very good.
Yes, it is in life insurance use. It is mainly used for life insurance.
अच्छा, very good. Can you tell me what is a no claim bonus?
So no claim bonus, it means that the insured does not claim any bonus during the year, then the company will provide him means some discount for the policy of the next year if he does not claim bonus.
Wrong. You are telling, but you are telling wrongly. If the insured has not made any claim,
yes,
आपने use करते हैं no claim bonus. It should be if the insured has not made a claim during the last year, then while renewing, the company will allow him no claim bonus.
Okay, sir, I will update you about it.
Yeah. What is the declaration page in insurance policy?
The declaration page is the form which the policyholder fills to get for getting the claim from the insurance company. It contains the details about the products which are damaged. It contains information like the product cost and the manufacturing date of the product.
He has to give all the details properly and confirm that they are true and to the best of his knowledge.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by loss payee?
Sir, loss pay is the institution or a person which receives the claim from the insurance company instead of the person. So, for example, if the car has met with an accident and the person has a loan from bank, then the insurance company will pay the compensation to the bank instead of that person. So the bank here is loss payee.
Super. What is your father?
So he is retired. He was working in bank.
Bank. Very good. You are telling very nicely. Acha. Can you tell me what is co-insurance?
Such co-insurance is mainly used in the co-insurance term is used in health insurance. It means the insurance coverage is split between the insurance company and policy holder. So the ratio is 80:20, means that the insurance company will pay 80% and the policy holder will pay 20% from his pocket.
Good. Very good. Now, can you please tell us why NIACL should give priority for you?
Yes, sir. While working in my previous company, I had given my 100%, and I through which I have been able to know my capabilities and limitations very well, and which I can channelize them further. It will give fruitful results to me and to the organization. I want to join insurance sector. I have interest in it, and I work dedicatedly, and I also take ownership of my work.
उसका आपका previous company का experience का बारे में बोलिए.
Sir, I have worked in Sarpan consultancy service for 33 months as a junior software developer in Python programming language.
What is Python?
Sir, Python programming language was founded in the year 1991. It is high-level programming language mainly used in websites, ERP systems, in artificial intelligence and automation.
Acha. What are the? It is used in artificial intelligence.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what is artificial intelligence and to what extent it has been used in our country?
Yes, sir. Artificial intelligence is the ability of the computer machine to mimic these decision-making capabilities and problem-solving capabilities like of human mind. And in the example of it is Google Assistant, and artificial intelligence is mostly used by every country. Means every company as they are making these internet chatbots, which are also the example of artificial intelligence, and it is also used in this medical field while doing surgeries.
Almost all the areas it has been, now it is being brought in. Can you tell me which insurance company is using more of artificial intelligence?
Sorry, LIC and NIACL both are using artificial intelligence, as they have made internet chatbots which are based on artificial intelligence only.
Do you think this artificial intelligence is helpful for us, or it is causing inefficiency among the existing staff?
No, sir, it is helpful. It is helpful because it has also means due to which it has helped the banking and insurance sector very immensely, and the workload of the sector is also has been reduced, and the efficiency of work has also increased. But many people are, due to some means does not know about it, artificial intelligence, because they have means it's due to digital illiteracy, and it has also created some impact on jobs also. So it is useful, but it is also some negative about it.
What is the term annuity? ANNUITY.
The annuity is term. It means that the person gets some specific amount payment from the insurance company, and it is mostly used to secure the retirement of the person. If the person gets some specific term during some time interval from the insurance company.
Good. Next question. What is surrender value?
So surrender value, it means that the person, if does not pay the premium and he does not withdraws the amount, then that amount is called surrender value. No, it means he withdraws the entire amount, so that amount is surrender value.
ऐसा बोलना है. Surrender value is like this in the case of life policy, where he is not able to continue paying premiums. He says, I would like to surrender it. He will get a value known as surrender value, which is much lower.
Yes.
Yeah. Good. You told correctly. How to claim the policy amount in the case of life insurance and general insurance?
So for claiming, the person has to if he has bought this policy through agent, so he will contact the agent, then he will provide all the supplement documents related to policies to the company, and company will verify it. If it is okay, then company will pay the claim to the insured.
That is, you have to differentiate like this, where it is in the case of life insured. If the person is alive, he can himself claim. If the person is not alive, the nominee has to claim.
Yes, sir, I will. Yes, sir.
What is nomination?
The nominee is the person who will receive the benefit in case of death of insured, and nominee is only in life insurance.
Very good. Can nomination be changed?
Yes, sir, it can be changed, but it cannot be changed for monetary benefits.
Can nomination be given in the name of a minor?
No, sir, I don't have knowledge about. I don't know about it.
I think it can be given in the name of minor, but then a guardian's name should be given who will take care of it. That is what is happening in the case of bank deposits. Think similar thing must be applicable in the case of insurance also. इसका बारे में checkup कर लीजिए.
Yes, sir, I will update about it.
Very good. Arpit, you have been able to tell nicely. Now, for a change for you, can you talk to me about Russia-Ukraine crisis?
Yes, sir. Russia-Ukraine, the war is already started, sir. On yesterday, it has already started. Russia is declared the war. It was all started means in the 1991 when Soviet Union was dissolved in 15 states, and in which one of the country was Ukraine, and there were some separatists in the eastern Ukraine. They were supporting Russia. So in the year 2014, Russia acquired the Crimea island, which is near in the south of Ukraine, and so due to which Russia was removed from G8 group, and there are also talks going on that Ukraine of joining NATO, NATO, which Russia does not want to. So before Ukraine joins the NATO, the Russia wants to capture it, because if Ukraine joins NATO, then they will get the military support from these Western countries. So Russia does not want that.
Excellent. But one thing, they have occupied Chernobyl. You know, Chernobyl is known.
Yes,
for
sir.
what?
It was today. It is a nuclear plant in Ukraine. They have acquired. Russia has acquired today.
Yeah, it seems that much of it is not working or working. पता नहीं है. उसको भी occupy कर दिया some. That is what the situation is about. Why they are occupying that, we don't know. Anyhow, very nice. You talk nicely. Best wishes. And you can continue watching us, talking to others. We will talk something banking, something other things also. You can stay with us as long as you want. No problem. And next session for you, you can arrange after a week or so.
Yes, sir. You have already given the date. It is on 1st March, 8 p.m. You told previous during previous time.
पहला ये बोल दिया. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है.
Yes, sir. 1st March 8 p.m.
1st March को 8 p.m. Yeah.
Sir, it
it's
is
okay,
given
yeah.
to me, Akshu Chaudhary.
Akshu
First
Chaudhary
March.
will be next. Next will be yours. Akshu Chaudhary. You want 1st March? Akshu Chaudhary. Yeah. Arpit, are you there online? Arpit?
Yes, sir.
Arpit, can I post it to 3rd March? Because 1st March appears to be very busy day on account of our specialist officers. Shall I postpone to 8 o'clock on 3rd March?
Yes, sir. It will be okay. I will be comfortable for that. I'm 3rd March 8 o'clock.
Yeah. आप थोड़ा और ज़्यादा पढ़ना तो पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Akshu Chaudhary, are you here with us now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is it you said you wanted 1st March some date?
Sir, actually you gave me time on 1st of March of 8 p.m. Not
अच्छा?
today, sir.
Oh, दिया है. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Oh go. Maybe I have
Family,
done
sir.
a mistake. Akshu ka number starts
So वो
with
अर्पित अक्षु में भी वो
70. No, I am noting now correctly. Thanks to our Arpit. Akshu, you had already one interview with me,
Yes.
na? Yeah. What is your
Yes, sir. Yesterday.
what is your degree and what is your native place?
So I have done post graduation in mathematics, and I'm from a village named Asif Nagar, which is in Haridwar district of Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand. अच्छा. Arpit, you please mute कर लीजिए आपको. Riddhi Agarwal, आप भी mute कर लीजिए. Vishwas is already muted. No problem. Yeah. So you are from Uttarakhand.
Yes, sir.
Akshu, you are from Uttarakhand, na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Are you using mobile internet or Wi-Fi?
So I'm using mobile internet actually.
बहुत सिग्नल बहुत कम होता है. थोड़ा बालकनी में आना तो आ जाइए. आपको स्वेटर वगैरह पहन के अच्छा से आ जाइए ना बाहर.
Okay, sir.
क्योंकि अभी it is going to be not with video, इसलिए no problem. You come out with full what is that sweater वगैरह पहन के बाहर आ जाओ. I
Yes,
know.
sir, but I'm not prepared completely, sir. So can you continue with others?
Okay, no issues. So
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Absolutely no issue. But हमने आपको आज भी समय दिया ना, नहीं दिया?
नो सर, आपने आज नहीं दिया था, अभी अचानक से आपने व्हाट्सएप पे बोला कि यू हैव टू जॉइन, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई जॉइंड.
Excellent, no issues. Thank you so much.
यस सर.
Arpit ho gaya.
ओके सर.
Then next we have Riddhi Agarwal. What is the date I have given for you, Riddhi Agarwal? Or you have just come for watching us? Riddhi Agarwal. Riddhi Agarwal. Riddhi Agarwal, you have come for watching or say, have I given time? Vishwas Arya, I think Vishwas Arya, Vishwas Arya, you are appearing for IBPS PO?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Have I asked you to come today and log in at any time after 8 o'clock like that?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good. I think you are a newcomer who has not been allotted. Have you paid or you are not paid?
Sir, actually, I have given you already 3-4 interviews in RRB and SBI.
Acha.
So, and I have advanced deposit for you.
Paisa hai. Acha, acha. ठीक है. कोई बात नहीं.
Yes.
Shall we start? You are from which place?
Yes, sir. Sir, I belong to Kalamwali district, Sirsa, Haryana.
Haryana. Good. Your interview
Yes,
is
sir.
on which date?
Sir, 28th of Feb.
28th of February. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. What is your degree?
Sir, I have done my graduation in BSc with physics, chemistry, mathematics as my subjects, and sir, my master's in chemistry.
Masters in chemistry. Good, good, good. So, could you get some questions from Chandigarh? What are the questions they are asking?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to get any questions because I'm not connected in any Telegram group.
I don't know why it is not coming out. We don't know. Doesn't matter. Now, let me ask you some questions that were asked in the last 2-3 days.
Yes,
now,
sir.
Can you tell me what is inflation and deflation and how RBI is managing it?
Yes, sir. Sir, inflation is when the rate of change of prices keeps going higher. जब महंगी होने की जो दर है सर वो बढ़ती रहती है तो सर इन्फ्लेशन की स्थिति होती है और करेंसी की परचेजिंग पावर कम हो जाती है. सर ऑन दी अदर हैंड जो डिफ्लेशन होती है उसमें करेंसी की परचेजिंग पावर कम नहीं होती, लेकिन सर जो चीजों की महंगी होने की दर है वो कम हो जाती है. आरबीआई सर अपने मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी के द्वारा इन्फ्लेशन और डिफ्लेशन को कंट्रोल करता है, जो उसकी सर रेपो रेट या रिवर्स रेपो रेट उसको कम या ज्यादा करके वो सिचुएशन को मैनेज करता है सर.
Oh, good. So can you tell me about what is the present repo rate and all that?
Yes, sir. Sir, present repo rate is 4% and the reverse repo rate is 3.35%. And the stance of sir monetary policy is accommodative.
So what do you mean by telling it is accommodative?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically RBI prepares its policy on 4 stances: dovish, accommodative, neutral, and hawkish. Accommodative stance means when the bank is eager to lend. I mean, if liquidity is required in the market, RBI will fuse the funds, whatever the funds required. That is accommodative.
So you mean to say now present RBI is in accommodative stance?
Yes, sir.
Good. Iska beech mein, are you interested in stock markets and all?
Sir, I haven't followed that much, but I am hearing the news, so
why,
a little bit I know.
Why, as a person going for interview, you must be thorough with BSc. आज का सेंसस क्या आज का बढ़ गया जी, कल से थोड़ा बड़ा है. Now it is at 55,858 or 56,000 roughly.
Yes, sir.
That's good.
Yes, sir.
So एक दिन कम हुआ, दूसरा दिन में बढ़ गया. ये क्या, क्यों ऐसा होता है?
Yes, sir. Sir, like the yesterday market crashed, Nifty dropped around 800 points and Sensex 16 to 700 points. This sir happened due to the war situation happening in the tension between the Russia and Ukraine. So inflation in the global market increases, that loses the interest of investors and they pull out the money, and hence markets are crashes.
Good, good, good. So while the war has got no direct impact, however it affects. Why? How it
Yes.
affects? How it affects?
Yes, sir. Since we are living in the era of globalization, sir, so we continuously export and import the products. So Russia is a very good exporter of the wheat grade. Yeah, it holds nearly 18% of the global share. So, sir, when Russia got into the war with Ukraine, all the supplies nearly got cut. So, sir, that creates tension among the nation. So, sir, that indirectly affects the stock market.
Super. Can you
Thank you,
tell
sir.
me something about some of the provisions of the budget?
Yes, sir. Sir, this year budget was presented by Shrimati Nirmala Sitharaman by fourth consecutive time. And sir, this budget holds the concept of 25 years. They mentioned the Amrit Kal. So the major points in the budget, sir, we get to see that government is focusing on capital expenditure. Like initially it was 5.5 lakh, and they increased to 7.5 lakh, which is a 35% jump. And other sector, they were planning to introduce CBDC, Central Bank Digital Currency, in 2023. So these were the major points according to me.
Something more. The budget is so big and you have been able to tell me within a few seconds. आपने ज़्यादा सोचा नहीं है बोलने का. You are not attempted to grasp more into your mind. Correct?
Yes, actually, sir, I have read because I know there are 4 pillars like PM Gati Shakti, inclusive development, financing of development, and sunrise opportunities, renewable energy. But I was not able to recall properly about that, so I avoided, sir. Yes.
Oh, good, good. थोड़ा पढ़ना है जी. Because
yes, sir, I will revise.
I was about to ask you next question about Gati Shakti and all. Now that you are not prepared, you cannot answer me. Because they are asking questions like silly things like India new education policy. उसका बारे में बोल सकते हैं आप?
Yes, sir.
बोलिए.
So the new education policy has been drafted on the recommendation of Shri K. Kasturirangan Committee. And sir, its model is based on the structure of 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. So initially it was the model was 10 plus 2. So this new education policy is comprehensive. We can say the growth of the student or the children on fundamental level, then on primary level, then secondary, then higher level. After that, when the student joins the college, there are numerous exit options. Like if he drops in the first year, he will get a certificate. If he drops in the second year, he will get a diploma. If he completes a degree, he will get the final degree. So there are various exit options which were not there earlier.
Very good. What are the main points of new education policy?
So main points, I just told you, I think these were the main points.
No, the main point is given as universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education by 2030. Through the open schooling system, the new education policy will bring 2 crores out of school children back into the mainstream.
Yes, sir.
When new education policy will be implemented, it will be implemented from 22-23.
Yes, sir.
Is 12th class removed in new education policy? There is no definite answer about this. What is the meaning of 5-3-3-4 in education? Bataiye. Hello.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of 5-3-3-4 in education?
Yes, sir. So the 5 years when a nursery to So let me calculate just a second. Yeah. So the 5 years represent nursery to second class, then 3 years are second to fifth class, and then 3 years are 5 to 8, then sir 8 to 12th. These are the sir splitting of years in which the student is studying. So sir, they have prepared a comprehensive plan for their growth.
Good. What is Bal Vatika in education?
Balvatika sir.
Multifaceted, activity-based, play-based, multi-level and flexible learning system preparatory class before class 1, prior to age of 5. Every child will be moved to preparatory class or Bal Vatika.
Yes, sir.
What free play is? Free play means what?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to connect.
Free play is when children have full freedom to play in whatever they want. During free play time, children can express themselves in the way that they choose depending on the day, time, and situation they are in. These kinds of opportunities are very important for children. What is Vidya Pravesh? Vidya Pravesh is National Mission on Foundational Literacy and Numeracy. FLN mission, National Mission on Foundational Literacy and Numeracy of the Government of India and NCERT, aligned to key competencies and the learning outcomes of the preschool, that is Balavatika. CCE is a period from, so many questions are coming. I suggest you search in Google new education policy. You will get lot of questions. Uska bare mein prepare kar do ji.
Yes, sir.
Now let me go for some other questions.
Sure, sir.
Can you tell me something about this smart city concept? Uska bare mein aapko man mein kya lagta hai?
Yes, sir. Sir, according to me, smart city concept would be a game changer. It will be completely based on the technology, which is newest technology. For example, sir, we would be seeing air taxis, a higher internet speed, higher connectivity, and sir, the department like fintech, which would be established in the all of the organization. For example, sir, GIFT City, which is established in Gujarat, is a kind of sir smart city.
Good, good. So can you tell me which are the ranking of smart cities in India now?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall the report. I will go and read about that.
So isko padhna padega. Sometimes they may ask about that.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please study that. In how many states elections are taking place? What are those states?
Sir, in 5 states elections are taking place in the 7 phases: Goa, Manipur, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, and Uttarakhand.
Good. You are from which state? You said Haryana.
Yes, sir.
Haryana. Okay. What is the uniqueness of Haryana? In what way Haryana is the best in your view? Everybody should feel his state is better or good. So आप इसको answer आप जो आपको मन लगता है वो बोल सकते हैं.
Yes, sir. Sir, in area wise, Haryana is considered to be a smaller state, but sir, its contribution in the nation has been immense. Like sir, Haryana has been producing lots of sports player, greatest player of the all time, in all over the world. Sir, for example, Neeraj Chopra, Virendra Sehwag, Kapil Dev, many others like Manika Batra, they all belong to Haryana. And on the other hand, sir, in terms of agriculture, Haryana is the #1 state. He has been providing a huge amount of loans and developing new techniques day by day. Also, the first MRI center in India has been established in Manesar recently.
Good.
So, sir.
Now, shall I go for some other questions?
Yes, sir.
What are the good qualities you have that are suitable for bank PO?
Yes, sir. Sir, I believe I have many qualities which for which I am suitable as a bank PO. Sir, I am always willing to learn I am a team player. I have very good communication skills, and I am a Kaizen person, sir.
गुड, यहाँ पर बहुत कुछ दिया है जी. Disciplined, efficiency in work, technical knowledge, good listening skills, confidence level, initiative in work, creative mind, open-minded, logical thinking ability, analytical thinking, quick learner, empathetic, friendly nature, communication skills, problem solving skills, positive attitude. देखो ना, how many good points are given.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can tell about all these things.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, let me go to the next question.
Yes.
What do you, for example, what is, this is the first time I'm asking, what is a sweeping account? सुना है
Sweeping count.
इसका बारे में सुना है आपने? नहीं, ये तो
No, sir.
बहुत rarely पूछ रहा है. Sweeping account का मतलब an account in a bank where the customer says when the limit crosses some amount, say 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, this amount is to be transferred to another account, or it is to be transferred to in the form of a fixed deposit. Such instructions are noted in the sweeping account.
Okay, sir.
Can you try telling what is a sweeping account?
Sir, a sweeping count can be a account when the funds are transferred to another account when they reach a certain amount. If they exceed that amount
limit,
which we
exceed that limit. Limit is
yes,
important. Good.
Limit.
Thank you so much, Vishwas Arya. Your interview date is what?
Sir, 28.
Very good. Best wishes. After the interview, you please send me the list of questions.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you want, you can rejoin me. I don't know who are all going to come. And if we have time, we can talk. No problem. I will come to Zoom again.